Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm in Huntington Beach, California. The weather is absolutely fantastic. I'm so excited to share my experience with you. In USA, school break time vary by region, but typically last around 2 to 3 months. During summer season, many people flocking to this beach to enjoy sun and sand. People come here to cook, barbecue, swim, and have a great time. There is always something exciting happening on this lively beach. Plus, there is a restaurant called Duke near the beach, offering delicious food and stunning ocean waves. Duke is famous for its fresh food and Hawaiian-inspired dishes. The laid-back, beach vibes makes it favorite spot for both local and tourists. Next, we went to the Huntington Beach Pier. Listen how nicely this boy plays the violin. Didn't it sound wonderful? If you felt the music was good, please write your comments in the description box. Then I entered a small shop inside Huntington Beach Pier. The houses were built high. They had magnets, necklaces made with seashells, ornaments made with shells, and wind chimes. Can you remember what this is? Yes, this is the rocket which was launched by SpaceX recently. Look how beautiful it is. That's a wrap up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming soon.